As a club, you got a couple doubles. What's the key to turning this offense around a little?
We just gotta relax, man. You know, the guy tonight, you know, he was aggressive in the zone, and you know, we took a few good hats and you know, squared a few balls up. But our offense here been slacking a little bit, and you know, it's part of the game. You know, we just gotta turn the page, man, and come out here each and every day to get better, man. That's all we can do.
The dates are starting to dwindle down on you. Is it tough to keep your focus sometimes this late in the season?
Yeah, it's tough physically, you know, the last month of the season, man. That's where your mental game got to come in to play right here, and you just got to be mentally focused every day when you come to the ballpark. You know, everybody know you're tired. We know we're tired, but you still got to have that focus, man, to go out there and grind it out.
Are you guys thinking at all about the playoffs, or is it too early to think about it?
We thinking about it. We talk about it. We want to be in the playoff push, you know. This last month right here dictates it all, you know. We can end up in second place or first place, you know. It's a lot of games left, man, and we just got to keep pushing, and hopefully we get in the playoffs.
You've been moving around a little bit, moving to the outfield, playing second. Which do you prefer?
I prefer second. I love second base. I always played that my whole life, but you know, it's different paths in this game. You never know where it's gonna lead you, and if playing in the outfield get me to the big leagues quicker, then I do whatever it takes.